Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is on last 1 month strategy for IC 12 boards. I'll give you subject wise strategy. Starting with English, you have to start with Tempest first. Learn the quotes, then the character sketch of different characters in the play like Prospero, then Antonio, and try to write these answers. If you want your answers to be corrected, either you can mail me or send that answer to your teacher so that the teacher evaluates and give you marks according to that. Your long answers should be up to the mark and they should be exemplary. Talking about RTCs, you have to practice them. How can you do so? In the workbook it's already given. Then paraphrase, you must have this paraphrase with you so that you can understand each and every line that is there in the Tempest play. Coming to echoes or reverie, you have to learn the quotes, the theme, title and the summary. And as you know, the chapters that are going to come this year, I've already posted a video on that. Which chapters, that is, which poems and stories are going to come this year. You have to do them, but don't take risk. Try to complete each and every story and poem. All right, at least have a look, have the outline, what is there in the story. Then long answer, please practice them because this is the part where students tend to lose a lot of marks. 15 marks answer practice. Then workbook. I know some of you underestimate the workbooks and you don't practice from them. Half of you have not even opened your workbook, or maybe you did not even write a single answer, but you have to do. You have to start practicing. You have to start writing the answers because you have to develop the answer writing skill. Now, talking about language, I've already uploaded many questions, the question papers basically, and it has transformation of sentences, phrasal verbs, suitable words, that is the prepositions, everything is covered. Okay, now physics, refer your notes. Your notes are the best option. You don't have to search out for anything from net or maybe from different sources. Please refer your notes. Okay, for the derivations part, I would say practice important derivations every day. That is the derivations which come every year. Now don't mug up. If you mug up, you will not be able to solve that derivation during your examination day. Choose the easy ones. It means that like you have already written the derivations from, it might be different in school and tuition. So try to practice that derivation which seems easy and which you can do easily. Okay, then last year papers, that is the 10 years you have to do for every subject. It is a compulsion that you do your 10 years. They're going to help you a lot and it will be a contentment for you when you come to know that the previous year questions are repeated so often. You have to practice the numericals, that is the formula based numericals. They're not going to give you IIT JEE numericals as such. Then MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Coming up to the chemistry part, again I would suggest you to do the previous year questions, and I guarantee if you do around 20-year questions of chemistry, you'll definitely score 90 plus. Then numericals part, it is very important. You have to do the numericals of solutions and then electrochemistry, and there are so many. Organic chemistry, practice the named reactions and the conversions. At the end of the book, you will see there are many pages based on this only. You can practice directly from them. In organic chemistry and physical chemistry, you can do, it's easy. Now, I'll recommend you a channel if you can't do some chapters or maybe any chapter is left out. When I was in 12th, I could not complete coordination chemistry and I could not understand. So what I did, I searched it on YouTube, and the best channel I got was Keep Educating Yourself. Sir makes impeccable videos of chemistry, and you can refer this channel in case you want to complete any chapter. You can do so. You have got around a 1 month, like 30 plus days, so you can easily complete any chapter if you want to. I covered the coordination chemistry chapter from this channel, and sir taught really well. I could understand each and everything, so go for this channel. Okay, so for mathematics, refer your own book, S. Chand book, and after every chapter, there are previous year questions of that particular chapter. For example, I do integration. At the end, you have around 20 to 30 previous year questions, and for ITF, like inverse trigonometric functions, there are many questions like ISC 2000, then 2001 up till 2019 or maybe 18. So you can do chapter wise previous year questions. For practice papers, you have to practice different school papers. I've already provided the link is in the description box. You can practice from there. Then practice 6 marker questions. All right, like maxima and minima questions, the figure based questions, differentiation, substitution questions are often asked. Then integration, definite integrals, Bayes theorem, and then inverse trigonometric functions. And rest of the chapters you have to do thoroughly. And talking about a formula notebook, you must have that so that you can revise the formulas, because there are many formulas of every chapter. So try to learn. So for computer science, you have to refer your tuition notes or school notes, whatever you have. Then you have to do previous year questions. For section A, I would say please do previous year questions. All right. And the programs you must do or you must learn: bubble sort, selection sort, linear search, binary search, they are going to come. And recursion also, yes, recursion. They'll help you a lot in any of the programs. Now students score really well in the program part because there is lenient marking, and every student gets full marks in the program section, that is section B. But for section A, if you don't answer correctly any of the questions, you might lose 1 or 2 marks. So try to pay more attention on section A by doing the previous year questions. So I think that is all. If you have any doubt, any query, please ask in the comment section. Check out the description box for different school papers of mathematics, physics and chemistry. These are the pre-board papers. The link is in the description. This is the Google Drive link and you can directly download the question papers from there. English language practice papers have also been provided to you. You can download them also. They consist of transformation of sentences, phrasal verbs and prepositions. The Telegram group link of AB Education Hub is also in the description box. If you want to join it, then you can join. This channel is only for ISC class 12th students, and I usually post announcements and CISC news, some question papers of different subjects.